My name is Vaishnu Mishra Deshmukh. Today's topic is Data Management System and today's date is 19 November 22. Now I first discussing the what is data management system. The DBMS is provided into bifid in advantages of concept in database and overall database is the design beginners of both and database management system it is the software that is using in the manage of a database. Our the DBMS offer include all the topics of a DBMS such as introduction of ER model, keys, relation model, joins, operation, SQL functions, density, and transaction of a curiosity of a control. What is database? The database is a collection of a enter of a relation related data which is used to the retrieval of interest and delete all the data effect using the organize the data in the form of the table and vice versa in the reports. And then it is the examples of data the college of a database organize of the data about in the admins of the staff students and faculty etc using in the database you can be easily retrieve over intercepts and delete the information. Now I discuss in the database management system. The database management system it is the software which is the use in the manage of data from examples of a very popular communications and database which is the use in different applications and DBMS is provided into the interface to the perform various operations like a database creations and store the data creating of a table and database and lots of more. It is provides in protection and security to the database and then it is the cases of a multiple users also the consistence. Then it is discussed in the DBMS also used in the tasks. Firstly is the data definitions. The data definition it is used to the creation of modifications and the removals of a definitions that is defined in the data and database. Then discussing the data updating. It is the data updating is the in the insertion of the modifications and the deletions of actuals data in a database. The data retrievals it is the use to the retrievals and the data prompts into the database and it can be used in the application and proposes. Then it is then it secondly discussing the user administrations. It is used in the registrations and monitoring user and maintain the data and security the deadlines of continuously controlling the monitorings and performance of recovering of information and flexible. Then it is the characteristics of the DBMS data management system. It is used to the digital responsibility and responsibility and extensibles on the service and store and the manage the information and it can be provide a clear logical view and process and manipulated of the data. The DBMS contains an automated breakups and recovery and the it cannot be the ACID properties which can maintain the data health and state case. It can be reduce the complex and relationship between data. It is used to the support and manipulated and proposing of the data. It is used to the provided into the security of the data. It can be view the database from the different viewpoints and according to the requirements of the use. Then discussing the advantages of DBMS. The control of the database is a reducibility and it is the control of the database is reducibility and because we store all the database in the records and data in the placed in the data. Then discussing the data sharing. The data sharing means the DBMS is the automatics used in the organization share and the data amongst multiplication. Then it easy maintenance. It is used can be easily maintenance and to the serializations and natural of the database. This reduce the time. It is the reduce the development time and maintains the needs. Then discussing the multiple user of interface. It is provided into the different types of user and interface and graphical interface is programming interface. Then discussing the disadvantages of a DBMS. The cost hard worker of a software. It is required of the high speed and data processor and large memory of software. Size is it is the occurs of a larger space and disk and large of a memory runtime efficiency. The complexity of the database system is created additional complexity and requires. This is the disadvantages of a database, and this is the discussions of a database management system.